I always wondered how computers work.
And I like being able to program things myself and make it. That's why I like computer science.
Let's do F40 in Python.
I'm interested in cybersecurity, one of the most popular areas of computer science today.
I want to go into either software engineering, mainly game development, or maybe user design. Computer science is the future of everything.
You know, like Alexa and Siri, all of those devices, that they're part of the future of computer science. They're not even in their final forms. You learn the culture and history behind computer science.
All the coding languages, so we've done HTML, CSS, JavaScript.
JavaScript is for websites. Java itself is like Python, it's more object-orientated, you can program what you want.
We learned what databases are. We also learned something called database normalization.
Everyone is learning, like it doesn't matter what stage we're at, we're all learning different things. Like there's people in my class who have no programming knowledge and they're learning.
If you don't have a strong background, our tutors send us an email before coming to the camp. There are some websites and articles. Even though they are optional, it would help a lot.
So for me it was really nice to get to know some of the things and some of the terms before we got into it.
Create a box model in CSS.
1023.
Archie was very good with setting us different tasks.
You can really feel that he has a lot of knowledge that he wants to pass on to us.
My tutor, Christy, he will give extra work to the people who are doing a bit better.
Our challenge was we worked with Enterprise and we made a web app, a tutoring website, so you could, book a tutor, and we coded that while the Enterprise did the actual business side of it, so marketing.
It's definitely a challenge, but also important because we get a taste of how it would be to have that career.
3D models.
A hero session is where someone who's very good in that subject, they will come and speak to you about what they do. That was amazing. That was about VR technology, so virtual reality. He was a VR engineer, so he helped create the PlayStation VR.
It just seems so much more real because you know that they have done it. It's not just words.
I asked him if I did go into VR, what would be the best route into it? And he was definitely go into computer science.
Okay. All the years, like default.
I've met people from so many different places.
So many new nationalities.
It's a great experience.
It's just become better and better. It's getting towards the end and we're all really sad to see each other go.
One of the best experiences of my life, definitely.